she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jolly cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jolly cooking, straight from...
Hi guys, wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna make some Jamaican brown stew chicken. Yes, step by step. This recipe right here, it is a must try. It is super delicious and so tasty. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that you know will enjoy it. Now keep it to yourself. Thank you all so much for all your love and support in the past. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse, and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Psalms 27 verse 14. So this is the word of the Lord. Wait for the Lord, be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed, and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 3.5 pounds of my chicken. Okay, and I also have, these are all of my fresh herbs. I have at least over 1 stalk of my scallion, 3 tablespoons of my fresh thyme, 4 cloves of garlic, and just a little bit of ginger, fresh ginger, at least over 1 teaspoon, and scotch bonnet pepper, and at least 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice, of onion. You need at least 1 large tomato. These are my sweet pepper. This is off that I cut. I have the red and the green. A small carrot that I cut also, and potato, just a small potato, just cut it up like so. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my chicken seasoning, and 1.5 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning. Okay. Guys, I'm using chicken drumstick for my Jamaican stew chicken, but what I did, I removed the skin. I cut it first. Hold on. Yeah, I cut the top part off. I just want to show you. Yeah, so that's how I cut it, and just remove the skin. Yeah, like this. So now I'm gonna season my chicken. It's already washed in some lemon juice. So first I'm just gonna add onions. Then I'm gonna add carrot, my tomato, and my sweet pepper. And potato. Also gonna add my garlic with my pimento seed, scallion, and my thyme, ginger. So this is the amount of scotch bonnet pepper that I'm gonna use. It is totally optional. And my seasoning, just mix it up. Yeah, just gonna leave back a little bit of my seasoning for the gravy. Then I'm gonna also add some ketchup, at least over 2 teaspoons of my ketchup, and that's just gonna, allow this chicken to marinate. Yes, gonna add my browning. Sometimes I brown my sugar. Gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my browning. Try not to add too much. Then I'm gonna take my nice clean hand and just massage all that seasoning and the herbs all over on my chicken. It smells real good already. I love stew chicken, but it is so easy and quick, but yet delicious. I can smell all the herbs, guys, trust me. The garlic, the scallion, the thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper smell real good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of my browning. Yeah, that's it. You can leave it to marinate for at least an hour, 30 minutes, or even overnight. But as I always said, once you season your meat, your chicken properly, it will still be delicious. Yes, you just have to make sure that all the seasoning go all over on the chicken. So don't be scared to use your hand. Yeah, so that's done. It is seasoning to perfection. Perfect. So in my pot, I add at least over 2 tablespoons of my oil. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Try and shake off, you know, any onions or scallion thyme off your chicken. Just gonna space it out. I'm gonna leave it uncovered for at least 5 minutes. My stove is gonna be on a medium to high heat. So now I'm gonna turn it. Nice and brown. You want it to seared. Smells so good. So now that it has seared, so this is the same bowl as you can see. I used to season my chicken. So I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna add at least 5 cups of water from my kettle. Yeah, at least 4 to 5 cups. Mix it in. Just gonna add it. So guys, I add at least 4 cups, okay? 4 cups of water. So I'm gonna add some more of my browning because it look too white. So I'm just gonna leave it for it to come to a boil for at least 15 minutes, okay? Did I cover it up? So just after 15 minutes, absolutely delicious. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning. You can taste it to your liking. Then I also have some remaining sweet pepper. I'm just gonna add it. And just have my little bit of my tomato leaf back. I also have some scallion and some thyme. I'm just gonna add it. Some more of my ketchup. I add over 1 teaspoon. Just gonna mix it in and leave it for at least 20 minutes. My house is smelling. It smells so good. Gonna cover it up. So my stewed chicken is all finished. Let I remove the lid. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. It looks so good. Look at that gravy. Nice and thick. Perfect. So now I'm gonna plate up my stew chicken. You can serve it with some rice and peas, some plain rice, some mashed potato, whatever of your choice. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. I just taste some and trust me, it tastes super, super delicious. So, so, so yummy. The gravy is nice and thick, just the way I like it. Look at that gravy. Perfect. Please guys, don't forget to share this video and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much in advance. So there you have it. This is how I make my Jamaican stew chicken. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try it if you don't try my stew chicken recipe before. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of